Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do chapter number 6 of Literature Reader. The name of the chapter is Flying. This is actually a poem that is written by J.M. Westrup, and in this poem the poet has described about the beauty of the moon, and the poet has also told us that the moon travels around with us at night. So we'll start with the poem. The poet says, I saw the moon one windy night. The poet is describing us that one windy night when the air was blowing. Windy night here means the air was blowing, the wind was blowing, and one night when the wind was blowing, the poet saw the moon flying so fast. The poet is telling us that the moon is flying. The moon is flying on a fast speed, all silvery white. Silvery means shining white colored, silver colored moon that was flying so fast over the sky. The moon was flying in the sky and it was shining brightly of white color. It was just like a toy balloon. It was just like a balloon that was flying in the sky. Loose from its string. As we all know, the balloon is tied with a string. हमें पता है balloon के साथ एक string, एक thread जुड़ा होता है जिसकी help से हम उसको उड़ाते हैं. Similarly, the poet is saying that the moon is just looking like a toy balloon that has loosed from its string. Means उसकी string जो उसके thread से वो loose हो गया, उसका thread खुल गया है. And a runaway moon. Runaway here means the moon is leaving quickly and escaping from something. Escaping मतलब वो किसी से भागने की कोशिश कर रहा है, किसी से छिपने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Loose from its thread, उसका thread loose हो गया, and it is a runaway moon that is trying to escape from something, that is trying to escape from somebody or some person. The frosty stars. Frosty means the cold stars that are covered with powdered ice, that that is of powdered form. The stars, the frosty stars, went racing past, chasing her own ever so fast. That means the stars that are cold and that are covered with powdered ice, they are racing. Why are they racing? Because they are chasing the moon ever so fast. They are also going on a fast speed and they are chasing the moon. Chasing means पीछा कर रहे हैं. हमने यहाँ पे ऊपर पढ़ा कि the moon is moving, the moon is flying so fast because it is a runaway moon that is hiding or that is escaping from the stars. And the frosty stars, they are also racing with the moon because they are chasing the moon on a fast speed. Then everyone said, it's the clouds that fly and the stars and the moon. Then every people, what does every people say? Everyone say that it is the clouds that fly. That the clouds fly, that the clouds that we see in the sky, the clouds that are of white color, they fly, but the stars and the moon stand still in the sky. The stars and the moon, they do not fly, they just stand still. It is the clouds that move from one place to another place. Like we are saying, the poet here is saying that moon is flying and the stars are chasing the moon, but actually what is being said, that every people say that moon and the stars, they remain still. It is only the clouds, it is only the clouds that fly in the sky. But I don't mind. Now the poet is saying, I don't mind कि मुझे किसी की बात की कोई परवाह नहीं है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोल रहा है कोई. I saw the moon sailing away like a toy balloon, because the poet is saying that I have seen the moon that is sailing away. Sailing away means moving away just like a toy balloon. The moon is moving away as a balloon, as a toy balloon that is moving in the air, moving in the wind, in the sky. I have seen the moon with my eyes that is moving. And if all the people are saying that the moon doesn't move, it's the clouds that only move, I don't believe so, because I have seen the moon that is moving away in the air, moving in the sky with my own eyes. So in this poem, the poet has described how beautiful, the poet has described two things. Firstly, how beautiful the moon is, how beautiful the moon looks like. Secondly, the poet has told us that whenever we see in the sky, it seems as if the moon is walking. Like when we walk, it feels the moon is walking along with us. As जैसे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, moon भी हमारे साथ आगे बढ़ता है. It seems so moon is walking with us. But it is here described also that only the clouds move and and the stars and the moon doesn't move, but the poet is saying, I have noticed that whenever I walk, the moon also walks. All of you, I know, I hope all of you have seen the moon, और आपने भी देखा होगा कि moon moves when we walk, moon also moves. So पोएट यही बोल रहा है कि मून है जो वो मूव करता है बिकॉज उसने मून को मूव करते हुए देखा है. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द पोएम. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द एक्सरसाइजेस गिवन. First part says answer these questions. First question is, these questions are related to the poem. We have to understand the question and we have to answer that. First is, why is the moon called a runaway moon? Moon को runaway moon क्यों बोला जाता है? Runaway means leaving quickly to avoid something or to escape from something. Who is chasing the moon? Moon को कौन chase कर रहा है? Moon का पीछा कौन कर रहा है? And who stands still in the sky? What are the bodies that stand still in the sky and that do not move? Think and answer question says, do you think the moon can fly? Do you think that the moon can fly? You have to tell whether the moon can fly or not according to your perception. And if you think the moon can fly, you have to tell why do you think so? Why does the moon fly? You have to give the answers. So this was all about the poem. I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.